Okay, this is Mike Klingler. I'm going to be taking you step by step to keep this super simple so anybody can purchase their first Bitcoin or fraction of a Bitcoin so you can get started with the incredible opportunities that likely you have no clue about yet, but you know something's going on. This is going to get you started. Coinbase is one of, if not the most reputable place to buy and store your Bitcoin. There are lots of other places to buy it, but this has the best exchange rate and is considered the most reputable. So this is what I'm going to start with. The other advantage, if you sign up through this link, you can see here it says Michael Klingler, that's me, invited you to try Coinbase. When you register here, at some point when you have either purchased or sold or a combination of both $100 of Bitcoin, you're going to get a $10 gift of free Bitcoin deposited in your account because you signed up from this link. I will too, so it's a great deal both ways. If you'd like to get that $10 of free Bitcoin, just register here. You don't have to buy $100 of Bitcoin right away. Like I said, you could literally just spend $1 and get a fraction of it just to start to get used to this process and start to enter into the world of cryptocurrencies, which literally is going to continue to change the world. So it's really important, no matter where you're starting from, just to get into it, because that's when you start to really learn and understand, is when you're involved. So regardless of what you have to start with, go ahead and enter your first name, your last name, your email, and a password. You'll want to click I'm not a robot here. And when you do, most of you have seen this, but I want to keep this super simple for everybody that's not tech savvy. It says select all squares with vehicles. Sometimes it'll be asking you a different question. So I would, click here, here, and there's a little bit of vehicle in these pictures, so I'd click here and here. This is how it, and then I would hit next. This is how it knows that you're not a computer or robot. Select all squares with vehicles is asking me again. So I click here, 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 and I see a little vehicle there, and I've always wondered, I see a little vehicle there. I always wondered if that mattered when it's just a small percentage. Sometimes if you get it wrong, it asks you to do it again. Don't worry, that's normal. And don't forget to click I certify that I'm 18 years of age or older, assuming that you are, and I agree to the user agreement. If you wanted to read that, you could click on that and do so. You're not putting any money or anything into this yet. You're just signing up, taking this first step, and you would hit sign up, and you'd go to the next page. I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to enter, my name is Test, and I'm going to enter a different email address because I'm already in there, just so you can see how this works, where it's supposed to go next. I'll hit sign up. My computer asked me if I want to save the address. I usually hit save. I won't on this one because this is just a practice account. So now I would verify my email. So you would go to your email address and you would click on the link that you see in the email. I'm going to start the next video from there for those that need the help. And I'm going to continue to help you step by step get set up with Coinbase and purchasing your first Bitcoin. And then I'm going to start to talk about incredible opportunities that are available to you to earn and generate Bitcoin and therefore passive revenue literally on a daily basis, even if you have nothing to start with or very, very little to start with. Again, the cryptocurrency market, which is changing the world as we speak, of which Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, one of many, is opening up opportunities that are unheard of before now, and I want to introduce you to those, but you won't be able to take part in them unless you understand Bitcoin a little bit more, and you won't understand it more unless you have some. So follow these steps, find me in the next video, and let's go step by step, click by click. Even if you know some of these simple steps because you're fairly tech savvy, follow my videos. I'm going to be moving very quickly just to make sure everyone can follow along, and that way you don't miss anything. I'll see you in the next video.